What's up, everybody? It's Jeff from GIS Chops. I ran into a little snag this morning and found the solution. I thought I'd share it with you in a real quick video. I'm going to call these types of videos quick tips or ArcGIS Pro Tips. They're going to be real short, just so show you a solution to a little problem that I had. So I've got a bunch of tables and notebooks and models open here in this project. In ArcGIS Pro, when you have a lot of things in the view, it doesn't shorten the name of the tab. It keeps the name full length so you can see what it is, I guess. But down here in the panes, it does shorten the name so you can see all the tabs. But that's not the case here in the view. You have to... I was down here scrolling, trying to find more tabs. That scroll only works in the view. So to reveal all those hidden tabs, you have to hit this drop down arrow and it shows all your tabs. So I was trying to get to my map and I couldn't because it's on the far left. So I had to figure out that this little drop down arrow reveals all those hidden tabs. So there's my map. Thought I'd share that with you real quick. Hope that helps you out. If it does, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and colleagues, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.